W'ekisemi Julius Ogamba hamwe n'omuwaziri w'ekiganja kinene gya serikali John MBADI nigo baumirana n'ekiumbe kigitiranirite abakori emirimo b'e Chiunibasiti wasu elikugayana okung'usanana okukoro egati yabo ekikirite ekisemi ase Chiunibasiti gotinina kubatikana n'omogiro bwaborokia okumirana oku nigo kwaenekigwa BW'EKOMITI y'ebunge nene igoro y'ekisemi ayonsi nigare egati yali arengete gusonsora umuchando yo elio kwa aborokigwa libaga bagenderere n'ekisemi.
Let me just first say that this has been a very good meeting and the facts have come out the way it is, and we've come up here with the team from Treasury and we've put all our facts on the table. Where the delays came from, we have stipulated and we've indicated. And let me just say that as a ministry, we are actually going to undertake a review of how this 2017-2021 CBA process has been conducted, but after we finish, so that we learn from it, so that we do not repeat the same mistakes that perhaps has been made, and we get to understand, interrogate the whole system the way it has been done. On the issue of the amount that is on the table and which has been confirmed by all the parties that they can be able to meet without defaulting is on the 50-50. That's what I would urge the unions, even as they meet their members, to discuss, to see that this is accepted, and then we can go back to work as we continue working on the CBA of 2025-2029. On the CBA of 2025-2029, there is already a process of applying for a review of what the SRC indicated, and I think there is a letter that has already been done, and it will be shared with the unions. It has not been shared with them. We just had a meeting this morning, and the letter has been done. We've given direction as a ministry to IPU CCF on what needs to be done in that space so that the CBA makes sense. It was out of last year's negotiations that we made a decision that we need to be negotiating our CBAs at the beginning of their cycle so that it is easier to factor them into the budgets going forward. Then it becomes easier to deal with. We are in this quagmire because we are dealing with a CBA in arrears, which then becomes very complicated, loads our CBA, and you know the sector is already getting the largest amount of money, the numbers are increasing, the pressure is on across the board. So we're just trying to see what is the best way we need to do these things to avoid a situation where our students, our teachers, our lecturers keep going out of the class or going to the streets. So we're just trying to see what is the best way we need to do these things to avoid a situation where our students, our teachers, our lecturers keep going out of the class or going to the streets. So we need your help in looking at the global position, not just one side, not just